Hi, my name is Liz. If you're new here, I have 4C natural thin hair and traction alopecia. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can avoid getting matted hair during wash day and making this process as easy and as fast as possible. So do carry on watching. So for step one, you want to take out your current hairstyle. My hair was in cornrows for a few weeks, so I'm just unraveling this. Once I unravel all the cornrows, I then begin to finger detangle. You want to keep on doing it until it looks like this. The next step is I take a wide tooth comb and part my hair in sections, and then I comb it out. So you want to start off by working at the ends and gently working your way to the roots. You want to make sure you're doing this in sections so that this process isn't painful and you're gentle on your hair. You can see the before and after comparing the left to the right. So you want to carry on doing this process until you finish your whole head. Trust me, it doesn't take long, you just have to be patient. I know I'm done when I'm able to put my fingers or run my hands through my hair like this. Okay, now you're ready for a wash. So the next thing you need to reach out for is shampoo. Don't grab any shampoo you see, grab shampoo that works for your hair. These are the three that I recommend and I use a rotation and work for my hair, okay? So you want to soak your hair with water, then apply your shampoo. Since this is the first wash, it may not be as foamy due to product buildup, but not to worry. So you want to use your fingertips to scrub the scalp of your hair, and then you want to use your hands to bring your hair in a downward motion like I'm doing. Washing my way in this manner prevents it getting tangled, and I'm able to wash my hair without doing it in sections. So you carry on repeating the same process, then you wash it out. Then I do the same thing, apply more shampoo and do the same process. This time around you can see it's more foamy because there's less product in my hair. So you want to wash either 2 rinses or 3 rinses depending on how dirty your hair is. So the same process, using your fingertips for your scalp and bring it downward motion, and then you're done. So I had a quick tea break and my hair ended up being super dry, so I had to reach out for my mist bottle, which is filled with water, and spray that on my hair so that it's nice and damp. So your next thing you want to reach out for is a deep conditioner. These are the 3 that I recommend and use on rotation. Today I'm using the one by Noughty, and what you want to do is you part your hair in sections like I'm doing. The hair that you're not using, you want to part that away using clips so it's out of the way. You want to reach out for a generous amount of deep conditioner and apply that throughout your hair, but making sure my hair is soaked from the roots all the way to the ends. Then you want to reach out for a great brush. This is a gentle brush on my hair, and trust me, if you're 4C like myself, it works, okay? What you want to do is then brush your hair. It's so gentle, it doesn't hurt. The best thing to do is do this in sections as I'm doing. So I did it in 4 sections and then I part it in 2, as you can see. You want to comb from the ends and work your way to the roots until your hair is tangle free. However, once done, I like to then twist my hair like so. So you want to keep on twisting your hair till you get all the way to the end. And I can't lie, sometimes my twists are janky. Even this tutorial, they were janky. But yeah, you want to carry on repeating the same process section by section. You want to detangle with the brush and then twist. And you're someone that finds this process long, put on a podcast, put on some music and get into the groove. I'm normally done doing this in 20 minutes. So you want to keep on doing the same thing. Apply your conditioner, brush your hair and twist until your hair is filled with twists like so. The next step that I like to do is reach out for any oil that I'm currently using. Today I'm using the one by Plant Made, and what I like to do is apply that throughout my hair. I'm laughing because of the way my twists are looking, not look good. We want to apply this oil from the roots to the ends until it's soaked, and I give myself a quick massage and put my hair away so that I can apply this shower cap. Then you want to steam your hair or blow dry for 30 minutes. Once you hit that 30-minute mark, you're ready to take off your shower cap and start unraveling your twists. As always, make sure you're gentle and careful with your hair. You know, you need tender love and care for your hair, okay? By this time, your hair feels soft. Most importantly, it's tangle free, but you want to make sure you unravel it carefully because it's still quite damp, you know, and that's when your hair is quite fragile when it's wet, okay? So you can see I'm doing it at the back. And then I'm ready to wash this out. So I like to just play with my hair as usual. And then looking at it, I can tell I'm ready for a trim. You know, at this point you can see what your hair is looking like. So then you simply wash this out. So the next step is styling, and this is where the fun begins. Now, depending on what style I'm doing will determine which products I reach out for. If I'm doing a twist out, for example, or if I style my hair where I slick my hairline and fill it out, there's different products that I use. Also, if I do my signature afro puff, which I feel is my safety blanket, there's various products that I use, which will all be linked in this video. If I add clip-ins and I want to slick my hair a little bit, there's different products that I use compared to if I did my twist out. If I blow dry my hair like you can see on screen, there's also various products that I use. So you can click the links above for tutorials for these videos. You know, September is my birthday month. I want to do a giveaway for you guys. I want you guys to try out these amazing products too. So if you'd like to try this out, all you have to do is like this video, and in the comment section down below, let me know which product you like to try most. And then I'll pick one of you guys and announce the winner in my next video. So thank you for watching and all the best. I hope I made your wash day much easy and simple for you guys. Let me know if you try this process, and I shall speak to you in my next video. Bye, and thanks for watching.